4 look Donnie, hit him $4 now, $5, hit him $5 bill, bought him in him $5, $4 bill.
Hello YouTube, Mountainous here. Here we are at the tool sale in Gibson City. Bill Kruse, we're doing it big and I'm bringing you along on the adventure.
I sold them right there, $4 on 829, 829. Tell me nothing, Amy, smile, we're on candid camera out here. Tell me nothing, a hammer, better get another one of them hammers. I get a dollar, not $1, I get a $2, one, two little framing hammer, looks like $2. 1, 2, but 2, nothing, 2, 3, I get 3, 4, now 4, now 5, now 5, now $6 bid, $5, $6, I sold them right there, $5 on 7 some. I'll remember tomorrow. Tomorrow on a little golf course. See, a big old chain down there. I gotta give it that, better give it to you. F40, see, it's stuck tonight after 11 inches. Tell me now that I got them down there, guys. I got hydraulic couplers, drills. You got a little miscellaneous in there. Find the bill. $5, 7.5. Now 10. $10, 12.5. 15, 17. Now 21 or 20. Now 2. Now 5. 25, 7. Now 11. Now 30. Now 31. Now 2. Now 5. 35, 40, 40, 40. Now 5. 45, 45. Now 25, 10, 5. Take it away from him, Austin. Don't let him look at it. 2.5.
Oh yeah, we're doing it big, baby.
Be $9.85 all the time. All right, got tools there. $5 bill. $5 bill. $5. Give me 2.5. 2.5. $5 bill. $5. 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. $5. Now $6. Now $7. $8. $9 bid. $9. 9. $9. $8 bill. But there, number 7. 34. 10 now 20 more. So $20 now 2.5. Number 22.5. $22.5 bill. Number 22.5. So $20 bill. Number 800.
Well guys, all the hand tools are sold, but look at all those tractors and combines and planters and tillers and discs, grain trucks, lawn mowers. Those are all getting sold. I picked up a cordless drill for $5, and then some guy gave me these. He bought them with some other stuff. They're a new set of like baseball catcher shin guard deals. But these will be great props from a Walking Dead video coming up in the next year. All right, baby, that was fun. We're gonna go get some food, head home. Until the next adventure, Mountainous out.